Are you hearing this sound from your dishwasher? So that humming sound is some type of problem with the motor here. So there's a couple things we'll look at, see what's wrong. So the easiest thing to check is under this chopper blade cover. There's one screw here. I'll just take that out. So after that screw comes out, this just pops out. It might be stuck, but it just pops out. So what usually happens is you'll find glass or bones in here, and it jams up the chopper blade. And if this is stuck, the motor can't turn, so it just gets jammed, and the motor just will hum because it can't move. So right now this looks okay, turns okay, no obstructions, is pretty clean in here. So the second thing we'll look at is the capacitor. So this is the capacitor. This will kickstart the motor to get it running. And if this is not good, the motor won't turn. So let's check this capacitor. So you'll need something, there's a capacitor it says, you'll need something that measures UF. So if your multimeter doesn't have a UF icon on it, you won't be able to use it, but this one specifically measures capacitance. So this capacitor, there's the label here, and it says 23.5 UF, plus or minus 5%. So we want to see something in that range. So I'm going to set this right above, I'm going to put this to 200. And I'll just connect these. And 23.6, so that is good. So I know my capacitor is good. So that's the second thing to look at. Now the third thing, if that fails, we're going to take off the motor itself, see if there's something that happened inside here. Sometimes the metal twists inside here. So what we want to do is we need to pop this out here. That just pops out. So we can pull the motor out from the other side. Now I know there's 4 screws here on the outside. We're not going to touch those. That's actually just for the shroud here. There's one screw. There's one screw back there. Let's see, there it is. That's the only one you have to take out to get the motor out. So I'll have to just get in there. That's what it looks like. Now with that out, we should just be able to twist this out. You have to turn and twist. There we go. Okay. So let's check this. Everything looks okay here. Now let's check the inside here. Make sure there's no debris. This metal thing here looks good. So this one's okay. When I first got it, it was not turning. I'm gonna hook that up again. I made this wire, this homemade wire here. I have another video that shows several different testing wires you can make. You can check that out. So all I'm going to do is, I'm just going to put this wire here, right into the connection, and let's test that out. That's good. Now if I unplug one of the capacitor wires, that's the humming. So you need that capacitor on there to get that running. So the motor here is good, but those are the things you can check with this type of motor to see if it's working or not. And I hope that helps. Thanks.